Welcome to the AI series dedicated to the life sciences fraternity by Dr. Vidyasagar Kasagani, CEO, SolutionsMax Technology Services Inc. The pharmaceutical industry stands on the precipice of a revolution. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It is a tangible force reshaping drug discovery, development, and manufacturing. Its impact is profound, promising to enhance efficiency, ensure compliance, and accelerate innovation. Like the advent of computers, AI is poised to redefine the industry's landscape. The challenges faced by pharmaceutical manufacturers are manifold. They must adhere to stringent regulations, maintain impeccable quality control, and optimize complex processes. These demands are compounded by increasing pressure to reduce costs and accelerate time to market. This is where AI emerges as a beacon of change, offering solutions that were previously unimaginable. AI's potential stretches far beyond mere automation. It empowers machines to learn, adapt, and make decisions, mirroring human intelligence in unprecedented ways. From real-time monitoring of manufacturing processes to the intricate dance of regulatory compliance, AI is transforming how drugs are made and brought to market. This is not just about efficiency. It's about creating a future where medicines are safer, more effective, and accessible to all. Imagine a world where AI algorithms predict potential manufacturing deviations before they occur, ensuring consistent product quality. Envision a future where compliance documentation is automated, eliminating human error and streamlining regulatory processes. This is the transformative power of AI, a power that promises to reshape the pharmaceutical industry as we know it. Manufacturing pharmaceuticals is a complex ballet of precision and control. Every step, from raw material acquisition to final product packaging, demands meticulous attention to detail. AI is ushering in an era of unprecedented oversight, acting as a vigilant eye that never sleeps. AI-powered systems can monitor manufacturing processes in real time, capturing data from countless sensors and instruments. This data is not merely collected, it's analyzed. AI algorithms can detect subtle patterns, deviations, and anomalies that might escape human observation. Imagine a scenario where an AI system identifies a slight temperature fluctuation in a bioreactor, potentially jeopardizing the entire batch. This early detection allows for immediate corrective action, preventing costly losses and ensuring product integrity. The benefits extend beyond real-time monitoring. AI can analyze historical data to identify trends and predict future events. This predictive capability is invaluable. It allows manufacturers to anticipate potential problems and implement preventive measures. For instance, AI can analyze data from past batches to predict the optimal time to replace a filter or calibrate a sensor, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted operation. This proactive approach minimizes downtime and maximizes efficiency, crucial factors in a competitive market. The pharmaceutical industry operates within a labyrinth of regulations and compliance requirements. Navigating this complex landscape is a Herculean task, demanding meticulous documentation and adherence to stringent standards. AI is emerging as a crucial tool, simplifying this process and reducing the risk of errors. Imagine a future where AI algorithms automatically generate compliance reports, freeing human resources for more strategic tasks. AI can scrutinize vast amounts of data, identifying potential compliance gaps and suggesting corrective actions. This not only saves time, but also enhances accuracy, reducing the likelihood of human error. The implications are profound, streamlining the regulatory process and accelerating time to market for life-saving drugs. AI's role in regulatory affairs extends beyond documentation. AI-powered systems can be trained to analyze and interpret complex regulatory guidelines, providing real-time guidance to manufacturers. This ensures that every step of the manufacturing process adheres to the latest regulations, minimizing the risk of costly setbacks. Imagine an AI system that instantly alerts manufacturers to changes in labeling requirements or updates to good manufacturing practices, GMP. This proactive approach ensures compliance and fosters a culture of regulatory excellence. Section 5. Analytical Alchemy AI in Method Development. The development of analytical methods is a cornerstone of pharmaceutical manufacturing. These methods, used to test the identity, purity, and potency of drugs, require precision, accuracy, and rigorous validation. AI is transforming this critical domain, accelerating the development of robust and reliable analytical methods. AI algorithms can sift through mountains of experimental data, identifying optimal conditions for analytical tests. They can predict the sensitivity and selectivity of methods, ensuring that they meet the stringent requirements of regulatory bodies. Imagine an AI system that designs a chromatography method tailored to a specific drug, optimizing parameters for maximum sensitivity and resolution. This accelerated method development translates to faster product release and ultimately quicker access to essential medications. AI's analytical prowess extends beyond method development. AI-powered systems can be integrated into analytical instruments, enhancing their performance and reliability. Imagine a mass spectrometer equipped with an AI algorithm that automatically identifies and quantifies trace impurities in a drug substance. This real-time analysis ensures product quality and eliminates the need for time-consuming manual interpretation. The result is a streamlined analytical workflow that enhances both efficiency and accuracy. Section 6. A future sculpted by AI. The future of pharmaceutical manufacturing is intricately interwoven with the advancements of artificial intelligence. AI is not merely a tool, it's a transformative force that will redefine how drugs are developed, manufactured, and brought to market. The implications are profound, promising a future where medicines are safer, more effective, and accessible to all. Imagine a future where AI-powered factories operate with unprecedented efficiency, producing high-quality medicines at lower costs. Envision a world where AI algorithms predict and prevent drug shortages, ensuring that patients have access to the medications they need. This is the potential of AI, a potential that extends far beyond the realms of science fiction and into the reality of modern medicine. The journey has just begun. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on the pharmaceutical industry will only intensify. The challenges are numerous, requiring collaboration between AI experts, pharmaceutical scientists, and regulatory bodies. However, the potential rewards are immense, promising a future where AI-powered innovation paves the way for a healthier and more equitable world. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your all-inclusive platform designed to manage the entirety of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Say goodbye to pricey corporate solutions and embrace our one-stop solution tailored for your firm. Experience top-notch support services from world-class engineers who are dedicated to guiding you every step of the way.